Edo government no dey owe anybody salary. Crusoe Osagie na im talk this one. Special adviser to Edo State Governor on top media and communication strategy, Crusoe Osagie don talk say Edo State government no dey owe anybody salary or wages, sake of say they don fulfill all their obligations to all the workers and public officers wey dey the state. The special adviser yarn for statement say state government don pay all the workers their wages and salaries. And na people wey get political kwanta with them dey talk like say government still dey owe some public officials wey no dey their side politically. E yarn say Edo State government na one of the few states for Naija wey no dey use worker salary take play, sake of say dem believe say na everybody suppose get the correct reward for anything wey dem dey work for. Osagie talk say government no go fit owe anybody money because of political kwanta, and make Edo people no mind the people wey dey talk lie, sake of say government don pay all the workers wey dey the state their full salaries.
The people you are seeing here are councillors from 16 out of the 18 local governments in Edo State. We are here to register our displeasure over what has been happening to us as a people. And I want to read. We are councillors on the platform of APC, the All Progressive Congress Edo State. Here today, we are here to draw your attention and that of the world to the inhuman treatment and abuse of our fundamental rights by the various council chairmen in Edo State under the directive of Governor Godwin Obaseki-led administration. The issue of democracy is the freedom to participate, for everybody to participate in governance, irrespective of your political party. To that extent, the opposition is recognized and allowed to freely raise objective criticism in each government. Unfortunately, this is not the case in Edo State, as there are dangerous level of intolerance to the opposition.
That is not true. You are aware that Edo State government don't delay salaries. Both workers and retirees are paid as at when due. And their claim is not correct. Though I have not received any complaint from other councillors from any local government that they've not been paid salaries. And you see, it's a fallout of the defeats recently PDP gave to APC in just concluded elections. And I know that it is possible that they are acting scripts of their paymasters, of those who are out to discredit this government. But you are all aware of what this present administration has done in this state. Even throughout the country, Edo State governor has been commended for a job well done, for his developmental strides in this state. No workers today will say that they have not gotten their salary. Salaries are paid as at when due, so their claim is not correct. And I don't know where that is coming from. Though I'm still going to investigate to find out what actually happened. But as I speak with you, that story is untrue. It's nothing like that. If they have such complaints, do you think it will just happen simultaneously across the 18 local governments? You are saying about 90 of them. So it's strange. It is strange.
This one are the ogbonge information wey we carry come give una on top Inside Edo today. As Crusoe Osagie don tell Edo people say Edo government no dey owe anybody salary. Make una sabi say na TMC TV na im carry this ogbonge information dey come give una. My name na Oiza Aboriogun from Benin.